Hey tubers, how you guys doing? Welcome back. This here, I'm going to show you how to make a scroll saw sanding blade. What I got here is carpet tape, 2 inches by 5 yards, bought off Amazon. I think it was like $6, $7 or something like that. And what you got to do is you got to cut the strip of the tape, double-sided tape. You measure it out. So like right about here. Put that to the side. You got to use a blade. Put that to the side for future use. You're going to cut some small strips off this. This is a cheap way how to do this. Because some of those things on Amazon, they're like $15 for like 4 of those like sanding blades that you got one right there. It's very sticky. You just cut it out, and then you get your sandpaper. Just using a razor blade here. I get the sandpaper here in a minute. Save this piece for later. Got some sandpaper. This looks like I don't know what it is. It says 100, so I'm not sure what that is. It's just something I had. So we're gonna stick that right there for right now. I've already made one, used it, spent it. Okay, toss that to the side. Split this guy down the middle. So you got your 2 strips right here. You got your 2 strips. And what you're gonna do is, since this is double-sided tape, take this and stick it right onto it. Make sure it's nice and stuck on there pretty good. Looks like it came off a little bit, so I'll just trim that a little bit there. We don't need that. Toss that to the side. So that piece is good. And then we got to get the other piece on. Just like that. And what we're going to do is take the backing off. Just like that. Toss the paper aside. Put your blade right in the middle of that. We're going to sandwich it. So the blade's right in the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. And we're going to stick it right there. Now what you have is a piece of sandpaper you can put in your scroll saw, and you can sand intricate things. I've been working on this right here, and you take this thing and you can put it in the scroll saw, and we'll sand all this the inside stuff. So I'll demonstrate that now. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate this now. So it loads in just like the normal blades. I think I left off, I think I need to do this portion right here next. Load this thing in here. Goes in there like that. Let's tighten it on down. And let's turn on the machine. And so you can see that it sands the inside of those cuts that you made on your scroll saw. Like I said, you can buy those things on Amazon for like 15 bucks or something like that. But this is a much cheaper way to do it, and you can have different grits and stuff like that. So, but thanks for watching, and please subscribe. That would help me out quite a bit. And I'll see you guys in the next video.